pouvoir.
It means to be able to.
In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to be able to in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb.
For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
Avoir.
And the past participle of the main verb, which is
Pu.
Now, we have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense.
I was able to.
J'ai pu.
You were able to, in formal way.
Tu as pu.
He was able to.
Masculine.
Il a pu.
She was able to.
Feminine.
Elle a pu.
We were able to. In formal way.
On a pu.
We were able to.
Formal way.
Nous avons pu.
You were able to.
Formal way.
Vous avez pu.
They were able to. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils ont pu.
They were able to. Group of only females.
Elles ont pu.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I was able to arrive on time.
J'ai pu arriver à l'heure. J'ai pu arriver à l'heure.
You were able to understand the problem.
Tu as pu comprendre le problème. Tu as pu comprendre le problème.
He was able to find a solution.
Il a pu trouver une solution. Il a pu trouver une solution.
She was able to come to the meeting.
Elle a pu venir à la réunion. Elle a pu venir à la réunion.
We were able to visit the museum.
On a pu visiter le musée. On a pu visiter le musée.
We were able to finish the project.
Nous avons pu terminer le projet. Nous avons pu terminer le projet.
You were able to help your friends.
Vous avez pu aider vos amis. Vous avez pu aider vos amis.
They were able to win the match.
Ils ont pu gagner le match. Ils ont pu gagner le match.
They were able to buy train tickets.
Elles ont pu acheter des billets de train. Elles ont pu acheter des billets de train.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai pu. Tu as pu. Il a pu. Elle a pu. On a pu. Nous avons pu. Vous avez pu. Ils ont pu. Elles ont pu.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.